My son and I recently changed these hubcaps on his Honda Civic, and it was super easy. Probably took us 30 minutes to do the whole project. First step is you want to take all these bolts off because each of these bolts actually have a washer on it, which is holding the hubcap on, which is actually a good thing. So once you get those bolts off, just pull the hubcap off. You don't have to do this next step, but we decided to go ahead and clean them up. So we hosed them down, got a little scrub brush, and gave it a nice little scrub. Didn't spend more than 30 seconds doing this, but it's just nice since you've got them off. Went ahead and scrubbed the wheels and also the tires. So we cleaned them up. Let me actually show you what the hubcaps looked like, the old ones and the new ones. The old ones were about 9 years old. Here you go, right here. On the left there's the old ones. The big difference between the two is the new ones don't have the Honda H logo. So that would be nice, but you got to pay extra for that. So we were fine with these. So anyway, then you just take the new ones, pop them on, and then put all those nuts back on, and they just slide back on. We tighten them down real nice. And then, so we did that tire, and then we moved on to all four of the tires, and we're really happy with this. So again, this took about 30 minutes. My son and I did it. I was real proud of him for doing it. This is his first car, and he did a great job. We hand tightened everything. Then he hopped in, backed it up, and we went on to the next tires. So I'll show you that process too. Again, these all hold the hubcap on, which is a really big plus. So there's no hubcaps being stolen, no hubcaps falling off. And so that's really good. So yeah, here we go. Backed it up. Look how terrible these looked compared to the other. I mean, they're scuffed and they're ripped up and cracked, and the new ones look so much better. So yeah, it was a really quick, fabulous upgrade to the car. So yeah, here's the two of the olds and two of the news. Same exact sizes, easy fit. It was really good. But yeah, again, the big difference is no H for the Honda in the middle, but everything else is exactly the same. Really happy with it. So yeah, hope that helps. There are lots of tutorial videos online, but it's super easy. You can do this.